Fuck, if we get done, we could just drive off the Whiteface today.
Huh?
We could just drive up the Whiteface today. And tomorrow we can just worry about getting home. That way we can feel like we can sleep in a little longer, not
I was gonna say too, we should tonight get everything together that we're not gonna need, like our like kind of just get everything together and ready to get out to the car tomorrow, so we can sleep in a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Then if we go to the Whiteface after this, we can leave at 11 tomorrow and then get home late. But if we go somewhere tomorrow, we're gonna have to get up early and leave. And do we really want to do all that and hit the road?
No.
So I think not going to the...
It would be better for us to just sleep in and then get on the road, because then you don't have to worry about already kind of being worn out from doing something.
Right. So let's just do Whiteface today and High Falls next time we come down, because we will come back down.
Yeah.
Kinsley's old enough, I want her to see this. But yes, where Mommy and Daddy.
Huh?
It's where Mommy and Daddy came down and stayed, or came up and stayed when you were in her tummy.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be so cute. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. Careful, baby.
Huh?
Say careful. Oh, there's whitewater rafts down there. Wow. Oh.
Careful. That water will stop me.
Huh. Wow, this place, man. What do we got here?
We're at the end of the yellow trail.
Oh, really? So now what?